Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make Microsoft Edge default browser Windows 11. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So to make Microsoft Edge the default browser, we do the following. Go to the upper right corner and click on these three dots and then select settings at the bottom of the list. In the settings, we click default browser and select make default in the menu that opens. And as you can see, we were redirected to the Microsoft Windows system menu, where we select set default and the Microsoft Edge browser became the default browser. Additionally, in this window for different types of files, we can select the application or browser with which we will run this file. For example, for the PDF file, I chose the Chrome browser and all other files are launched using Microsoft Edge. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.